Hi, this is Ronald here, and today I want to show you guys a better way to find files on your Windows installations. So if you're by default, you would just do a search from the Windows file browser. So for example, if I wanted to find DaVinci Resolve, I can type in here DaVinci Resolve, DaVinci, and it'll find it pretty quick. This is the case if you have a solid state drive. Yeah, so if you're searching directly within the folder that you need to find the file is, it's pretty fast, but it can get a little bit slower if you want, say, a very specific file. So for example, let's say I wanted to search for this file specifically. So if we go to program files, we know it's there, and we do a search. Okay, so the speed isn't bad. But let's say we had no idea where the file was, and all we know is that we needed to find that file. So let's search from the C drive and see how that is. So as we can see, it is taking quite a bit, even on a solid state drive on this laptop. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys a different tool I use. This is called Everything. So what everything does is it will basically show you every single file on your computer. And what you can do is you can sort it by drive, you can sort it by date. You can quite literally see all the files that are being modified as I literally speak. You can sort it by name, and it's also extremely quick at finding things. So I just pasted it and it instantly found that file. Whereas if we have a look, Windows File Explorer is still going looking for it. So in terms of speed, once everything has indexed all your files, it's going to be pretty much faster than Windows by default. So that's one big plus already. Now everything does have a few other benefits in my opinion. So you can actually change the view of these files. So for example, we can make these files thumbnails, or we can change to details. And when you have details, you can change. You can sort by paths. You can you can sort by the columns. So I can look for the smallest file in this list. I can also look for the oldest file or the newest file. I can sort by name. Now, obviously, in this case, there's not a lot of files, but if we were to go into a directory where there's a lot of files, for example, let's say videos, and you have to put this in quotes, put the file directory in quotes, and so the so this is it's displaying quite everything in the file directory. So this is literally showing everything in the file directory. And we can do a search so for example, let's say we wanted to just isolate all the files which have 2023 in them. So 2023, we can open those and we can see all the files, and once again we can sort it. If we right click it, we still have all the options. We can even open the file path in Yeah, if we open up the file path, it will open it up in Windows, in the Windows file browser. So, I mean, if we compare it to Windows, search 2023, we still have that option. I believe this was something added in Windows 11. In Windows 10, the file browser is a little more limited. So, yeah, if you're still using Windows 10, then that is actually one feature everything has over Windows 10. You can also add a bookmark, so we can add a bookmark and we can bookmark this. So if we need to do this search very often, then we can add that bookmark. And yeah, let's say we're doing something else, go to the bookmark. There we go. We can also do copy, paste, and all that from here. So this is kind of just scratching the surface. There's quite a few other options. So that's just a quick rundown. That's just a quick rundown. So yeah, if you do work with files a lot on Windows, I would recommend using this program. It is it is free. You should be able to go on the website, Void Tools, that's the one. And yeah, you can download it as an installer or in a portable form. Yeah, so I would recommend giving it a try, seeing how it works, seeing how you can integrate it in your workflow, and chances are you'll probably like using it more than Windows Explorer. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, you can subscribe for more tech videos and recommendations. Have a good day. Bye.